On today's walk, I have found these brown and white mushrooms. Never have seen them before. I don't know what they're for or if they're just a regular fungus. Does anybody know? Brown and white cone-shaped mushrooms. Very odd looking. So, and there's like a whole pile of them. So if anybody would know, any mushroom fungus specialist would know what kind of particular mushrooms these are and from what kind of plant they derive from, put it in the comments below. Here we go, zoom it in a little bit more. Very interesting, never seen these before. Okay, bye.